Have you ever watched something go from utterly hopeless to downright miraculous? A few years ago, I was at the checkout lane in a corner store, and a middle-aged mother with 3 kids kept looking behind her shoulder while her fingers twitched. The cashier stepped away, and suddenly the woman lunged towards the register to grab a handful of bills. I didn't want her babies to see their mommy in trouble, so I didn't say anything. But the man in front of me didn't have that problem. He asked her what she thought she was doing, and she immediately confessed that she just doesn't have enough money. Her eyes were so red I thought she was about to cry. The man glanced over to see the manager's back was turned, then pulled his phone out of his pocket. But instead of taking a photo to catch her in the act, or calling the police, he took out a $20 bill from his phone case. Her smile when he handed it over almost made me cry. And when the stealer tried to thank him, he just said, "Don't worry about it, we've all been there." When the cashier came back, the man warned her to keep her register closed because something could have happened. It made me realize that sometimes the difference between a thief and a struggling parent is just $20 and a little mercy.